Hello, my name is Cadence, and welcome to Broadway for Babies. It is time to tap! Edition 2, or episode 2, all that fun stuff. Today, we're going to work on a flap, or a full lap, as almost everyone calls it, even though it's spelled F-L-A-P. People say full lap because it has two sounds, so you can try to make your foot go fa-lap, fa-lap. And it's very much similar to a shuffle that we learned in episode 1. If you haven't seen it, check it out. I'll put a little link right up here. So yeah, so a shuffle and a flap both have two sounds. Shuffle, flap. It just depends on what you're doing with your body and your weight and all that good stuff. So let's take a look at a flap. You want to think of the same thing you were thinking of with the shuffle. For a shuffle, you remember you do a brush and then you bring it back. Brush. So that's pretty simple, but now what we're going to do is we're going to do Forgive My Dogs. They want to get in on the fun too. So we're going to do just like a shuffle, we're going to brush our foot out and go brush, and then we're going to put our foot down. Put your foot down. There, you did it. That's a full lap. So it goes fa-lap. Fa-lap. And so if you want to try the other foot, let's give that a try. You go fa-lap. Fa-lap. And it's just on your toe. Fa-lap. You don't put your heel down. It's not like, that's a different thing too. What is that? Leave it in the comments if you're a tapper and you can remember the name of that. But that's a more advanced step. What we're doing is just the ball of the foot going fa-lap, fa-lap, fa-lap. And then you can put your feet together and try the other foot. Fa-lap, fa-lap. Cool. And here, let me give you a side view. Flap, flap, flap. And you'll notice, what's the difference between a shuffle, versus a flap? I lean my body and put my body over it. So you're putting your weight on your foot rather than just, I can let this swing back and forth and I'm just doing a lot of shuffles. Not a shuffle, gotta make contact with the ground, shuffle. But with a flap, put your weight on it. Because then you can start to travel. I know, it's so advanced. Flap, and then you can put all your weight on your toe over here, pick up your other foot and go flap. Whoa, you're walking and doing flaps. Whoa, and you know what? Once you get really advanced, there's a million kinds of flaps you can do. You can do, hi Daisy, instead of walking flaps, you can do running flaps. Those are all flaps. And what I like to think about is when you're a baby and you're just learning how to walk and toddle around, that's kind of what you want to feel like as an adult when you're doing running flaps, because you're letting your body weight just go over and let your feet kind of catch up with you. Kind of like you're falling over. Flap, flap, put it together. Flap, 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 put it together. Flap, 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 put it together. Flap, 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 put it together. Yay, you did it! Very nice, that's a full lap. Come back next time where we're going to add on a heel. It's going to make your life so much easier when you can do flap heel. Thank you for joining us and learning how to flap, 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 flap. We're so excited that you could join us for this. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe, ring the little bell icon so you know whenever we upload. And yeah, I'd love to hear what you would like to learn next. We've learned a shuffle and we've learned a flap. And I know we want to learn a flap heel, but maybe we can learn another thing too. We can start creating combinations. Oh, my mind is going crazy. There's so many options. So yeah, let me know if you have a favorite tap step or if you have a song you'd like to learn a tap routine to. Very simple routine, I promise. Anyways, thanks for joining. Bye!